I don't know how to turn it. Hold on.
Oh.
DJI SPARK unboxing. Brought to you by
MEMs.
the best girlfriend in the world. Oh wow, this is already pretty cool. Nicely packaged. This is like a leather carrying case?
I think so.
Oh wow, look at that.
Whoa, that's slick.
That came straight from the box. 3 big pieces in here. Styrofoam. And then I'm guessing a battery. This is the combo pack, right?
Combo pack, yeah.
Do you think the drone's in here or do you think the drone's in here?
That right there. Which one's heavier though? That one? I think.
This is pretty light. This is heavy.
Oh, so maybe it's in that pouch right there on your right hand.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's show the
This one's
viewers what.
heavy, but this is suspicious. This bag will if you're unboxing a Spark, this is gonna catch your eyes. So let's try this one. Oh, this looks like a controller. Oh wow, look at that. Battery charger, cables, more power cable.
So I'm guessing the drone isn't in that one. So let's open the next one.
There it is. I mean, this is light. Feel it.
Okay. Oh wow, yeah, it's like a.
I think this water is heavier. It's so cute.
Like me.
Aww.
That is cute.
This is the size of, I would say this is the size of a Wii remote control with propellers. I think it's the battery.
Okay.
So it looks like there's already a battery in here. Yep, there's already a battery. This is the second one. So this is the combo pack. It comes with a spare battery, which I think is important. Power. Charge the battery for the first time to activate it. Power on off. Press once, then press again and hold for 2 seconds. I'm gonna leave that one on. I'm not gonna remember that. I'm guessing these are spare propeller blades. Cool. So that's that's part 1 of the DJI Spark unboxing. Part 2 will be flying it.
Yeah. Where to next with the DJ? What's your first like location that you'd want to fly it in? Not in here. Don't.
Yeah, this thing can fly indoors.
Oh.
It doesn't rely solely on GPS. So the things I gotta figure out is like, do you have to charge this first? Charge the battery for the first time to activate. And then power on, off, press once, then press again, and hold for 2 seconds.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna figure out how to charge the batteries, and then we'll do another video.
Okay.
Macho, 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 macho,